Hello students, a very happy and cheerful morning to all of you. I hope you all are good and taking care of your health at your home. So students, are you ready for your subject Value Education? Today we will start a new chapter. And what is the name of our chapter? Deer and the King, Part 1. So take out your textbook and we will read the story. So children, page number 24 of your Value Education textbook, chapter 6, Deer and the King. Let us start with the story. There was a very dense forest. Dense forest means a forest which has number of trees. There was a dense forest in India. Nearly 500 deer lived in the forest. Remember the number, this is not exact number but appropriate. 500 deer lived in that forest. The king of the deer was Kanchan Angi. Who was the king of the deer? There were so many deer and there was one king of all the deers. So the name of the king of all the deer was Kanchan Angi. Like we have one class leader, so they have one leader. The king deer had golden skin and the king Kanchan Angi, its skin was golden. It was very beautiful. At that time, a king ruled over Kashi. Now all this story is about the place Kashi. At that time, there was a king who ruled over Kashi. His name was Brahmadatta, and the name of the king who ruled Kashi was Brahmadatta. The king was very fond of hunting. Fond means interested. He was very interested in hunting. He went for hunting every day and hunted down several animals. That means he was so interested in hunting that every day he went for hunting and he hunted many animals. For hunting, he used to take with him a few other persons. Whenever he used to go for hunting, he also used to take some other people with himself. Whoever tried to refuse for going on hunting was severely punished. See children, now this is wrong. If we do not wish to go, it is our choice. But the king used to tell to people that come with me for hunting. And if anyone refused that no, we would not come with you. So they were severely punished. That means they were badly punished by the king. His subjects were very unhappy on that account. In the last chapter also we have studied what the subjects mean here. His people. The people living there, they were unhappy because of behavior of the king. The citizens thought, if we somehow take away all the deer somewhere else and keep them imprisoned for some time in some garden, they would be saved from the trouble of accompanying the king every day on his hunting expeditions. So now all the citizens of that place, they had an idea. What they thought? They thought that किसी भी तरह से अगर हमने सब डियर्स को फॉरेस्ट से कोई पार्क में शिफ्ट कर दिया, so then they have no need to go to forest every day. So that was the plan. They thought that anyhow we will move the deers from the forest to some garden and we will be saved from the trouble of accompanying. Accompanying means going with the king. Now they do not need to give company to the king. They chalked out a plan. That means roughly they planned of a plan. They went to the jungle with sticks in their hands. See, all the citizens are having sticks in their hands. So they went to the jungle with the sticks in their hands and chased away the deers with their cries and beating of drum. And what did they do there? They chased away all the deers with their voice and drum beating. the deers were frightened. So by doing this, all deers were frightened. And they ran away from the forest. So their plan was succeeded. The people succeeded in driving them in an enclosed park, and imprisoned them there. And they shifted the deers from forest to a park. Then what happened, children? So children, today we studied one page. Now I will show you the video of this much portion. Okay, so you will get a clear picture what was happening in the story. See the video. Deer and the king. Okay, so there was a dense forest in which lived nearly 500 deers. And who is this? This is a deer, king of the deer, and its name is Kanchan Angi. Okay. So, can you see that crown he was wearing? Then there was a king who ruled over the place Kashi. Brahmadatta. The name of the king is Brahmadatta. See, what can you see in this picture? That he is going for hunting. He used to go for hunting every day because he was very fond of hunting. And like this he hunted so many animals. Okay. And he used to take some people with him, and all those who refused to come with him for hunting, like this they were severely punished, okay, which is a wrong thing. So one day what happened, all the citizens planned that we can take the deers from the forest to a garden so that we don't have to go with king. So all the citizens were planning something. And they planned that we will take the deers to a park. So let us see, was their plan succeeded? See, all citizens took sticks in their hand and they were succeeded. The deers are running. Deers were frightened and they were running. So what happened? Finally, they succeeded with their plan. And what happened in the further story, that we will see in the next video lesson. Till then, take care, keep smiling. God bless you.